Greetings everyone, Mike Mundy, Editorial Director, Port Strategy magazine. Like everybody else, we'd like to thank Valencia for this initiative of bringing us all together. Very important at this time to communicate and share life with friends and colleagues worldwide. Like everybody else, we are confined to our domestic space and working from home. We'd like to tell you that Port Strategy magazine will continue to publish over the next few months. We see it as an important function to keep bringing us all together, sharing the news and views. And if you do have views, ideas, thoughts, any way to escape this solitary confinement, then do please share them with us. You'll find Port Strategy magazine easily enough on the web. It just really remains to say be safe. There are a lot of challenges out there, business challenges, but also a lot of personal challenges. And we look forward to seeing our friends in Valencia for a vino tinto or six on the other side, and we look forward to engaging with you all at the right moment in time when we're all safe and sound. God bless.